Hi everybody, how are you? Today is a holiday here in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, but I just received this package, a order from a store, a Brazilian store. Two, 2 weeks ago, I think, this store, Saga, make a big deal of Paramount's Blu-ray, but they have some problems with the stock. Paramount didn't want replied the stock with the same price, and the store cancelled the most of the orders. So we have to call to reclaim and give again the credit card number and etc. So only now, 2 weeks, I received it. It is the Pilares da Terra, a Saga Completa, the pillars of the earth, the complete saga, the complete series. I don't know how it's called in English. I will see on Blu-ray.com then. Well, let's unpack it. A flyer from the store. I don't remember the word in English, but I think it's novice. It was 149 reais. But with the deal, I bought it for 39.90 reais. Here, a box with 2 cases. Okay, here. The front, Pilares da Terra, the pillars of the earth. Here is the cover. I didn't see it completely. I see only the first segment. I don't know the word. It's for segments and I saw only the first. Now I will see Completa. I'm looking here, but didn't tell the options of audio and the subtitles. I think it's don't have HD audio, but have a lot of extras. Can you see this yellow? It's all the special features. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 extras. I think it's a very good number. Now pick up this small knife to cut and keep the plastic to protect the box. Okay. It's very tiny, very, I don't know exactly what, very small box. It's horrible to take out the cases. Oh, finally. Case 1. Discs 1 and 2. Front, back, discs. No internal up. Disc 1. Disc 2. I think the art of Disc 1 is better than Disc 2. The Disc 2 is too light and I didn't like it. case too. This different part front and back. This skipper. The worst act, in my opinion. And this fall. Show the box again. Os Pilares da Terra is embossed and shiny. Here, os Pilares da Terra again, and is it. I hope you enjoy. See you on next video. Bye bye.